So an Afro puff is a style that I do at least once a month on my hair. Today's video is going to be about how I achieve this little here Afro puff with the little edges laid. If you're first time here, my name is Ijeoma Kola and I like to combine beauty and brains with style and substance. First, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notifications bell so that you don't miss another video. Alright, let's get into it. So here's what you're going to need to get your puff. You're going to need a brush, a harder boar bristle brush. If you want, it's optional. You can have a smaller brush for the little edges. You're going to need something to hydrate your hair with. You can just use water. I'm going to use a combination of Shea Moisture's coconut oil leave-in treatment and Eden Body Works hair tonic. And you're going to need a scarf. The two main stars of this puff are the elastic band you're going to use and the edge control. So I'm going to start talking about the elastic band. This is the Goody Forever Ouchless band. And I know you probably think that like this doesn't matter. The hair tie that you use to do your puff is super important. It can be the difference between a headache all day or a happy puff day. And why I love these is that every single time you take them out, they always stretch back. Like I have stretched out so many different headbands and hair ties that I haven't been able to use them again. I've tried all sorts of things. I've broken hairbands and hair ties and headbands. So this, I've had no complaints with this whatsoever. And although it looks small, trust me, it'll be able to contain all of my hair and I will show you how. So now the Star Edge Control, I'm using this edge control and hair smoother for about like a month now, and it is by far the absolute best edge control that I've ever used on my hair. It is the African Pride Black Castor Miracle Braid Lock and Twist Gel. There are a lot of other edge controls that are a bit too watery, too slippery. This, ma'am, sis, I'm about to show you like the magic of this hair product right here. First, what I'm going to do is just spray my hair all over with this Shea Moisture leave-in treatment. I'm just going to start by spraying everything all over. Next thing I'm going to use is this Eden Body Works hair tonic, and I like this because it's a little bit more of a liquid, and I like to put this around the edges of my hair. And as you can see, as I spray, I'm kind of working my hair up, and it's already elongating the back of my hair. Every time that you are spraying, you want to start bringing your hair up into the puff. Alright, so now I'm going to take the African Pride Braid Lock and Twist Gel. Taking a generous amount, like it's generous, but this doesn't flake. It has like a 2 or 3 day hold. I mean, I try to work out pretty regularly, so that probably affects its hold. I'm gonna start in the back and just start applying it to the back of my hair. Don't be afraid of this product. Not like the Gorilla Snot Glue that like is too hard that you need to shampoo for like 3 hours in order to get it out. This has a really flexible hold. Like, look at that. So good. You can already see my hair is like laid. Okay, so next is to take the brush, and I only use the brush in the back, and this is just to help stretch out and elongate my hair in the back. Next, you take your boar bristle brush. This is where you really get in. I start all the way at the bottom and I brush this bad boy up. And as I brush, I smooth. So my hand follows the brush. Now you're going to take your hair tie, and what I like to do is try as much as possible to gather as much hair as I can into one hand. It's kind of difficult, but I just try to get everything kind of into one hand, and then I put the hair tie over it like this, but obviously you're not going to leave it like this. So now I start adjusting. So I take the hair tie and I'll go all the way around. It's really, really stretchy and flexible. Like, you'll be surprised how much this thing can move, how much it can stretch. So I've got it almost all the way around my head. And now I'm just going to start pushing it up. So take the back, push up, push up, push up. Smooth. Yes. Guys, this edge control is like life-changing. For real. If you want, it's optional. You can do some edge designs. I'm not great with edges, y'all. So also I feel like my edges are on the weaker side, but we shall see what I can come up with. just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now I'm going to take my scarf and tie it down. I start at the back. Do a little nice. I don't tie it in a knot, I crisscross because I feel like I get more mileage that way. Crisscross, lay that bad boy down. I like to do my makeup after I have already done my puff because that way it can set. You can also fluff this part a little bit. My hair is, it's not moisturized enough to really get any bigger than this. So I'm just gonna leave it and do my face. So I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Alright guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. Edges are laid, puff is together, and that, my friends, is how I do my Afro puff. It's really easy, there's no stress on my hair right now, and I can actually go through the whole day without feeling like the second I walk in the door I need to take my puff out. So thanks so much guys for watching. If you have any questions about this style, if you have any suggestions for a future style, make sure that you leave them down below in the comments. So thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!